Hi there. So one thing that I really want to do in my new dehydrator is make us some beef jerky. So I'm going to marinate this today and then I'll put it in the dryer tomorrow. So for this is very simple marinade. I'm going to do 1/4 cup of soy sauce or tamari, 1 tablespoon of pure cane sugar, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. I brought mine from home. Now I want a teaspoon of freshly ground pepper, a teaspoon each onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and chili powder. Now this is up to you, but some crushed red pepper. Now I put my beef in the freezer for about 30 minutes. It just makes it easier to slice. So now I have 1.5 pounds of beef chuck. And one thing that they do here is they sell the beef chuck and they cut it into shapes like this and call them beef chuck ribs. So it's a great way to buy chuck roast without buying a huge one. And it's usually a pretty good deal as well. So I'm going to slice mine. Now you want to slice this 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick. So I'm going to massage this in. I'm going to pop this in the refrigerator overnight, and then tomorrow we'll put it in the dehydrator.
She's making the best stuff ever. She is so good. And I appreciate her more than you'll ever know.
Go away. Go get ready. We're going to go play putt-putt if he'll go get changed instead of messing with me.
Do I need to change? Yes. I don't look perfect?
Yeah. So I'm going to throw that jerky into the dehydrator before we leave. Now, for something like jerky, you got to go up in your temperature. So I'm going to do this at 160 because you actually have to cook your jerky. You're not just dehydrating it. Because mine is fairly thick, I'm just putting it right onto my stainless steel racks, and I'm not doing the silicone mat. But if you really got it shaved thin, you might want to start it on the silicone mat. So I'm going to make him finish getting ready and throw this into the dehydrator, and it can do all the magic while we're off playing putt-putt. Hey, it's North Myrtle Beach. It's one of the things you do here. And I'll see y'all when this is done. Hi there. So we're back from putt-putt golf, and I won by 2 points. So I'm checking on my jerky. Now my jerky has been almost 4 hours. So 4 to 8 hours. It really depends on how thin you get it and what temperature you're doing it at. And then it also is going to depend on just if you want yours to have a little chew to it or if you want it to be super crunchy. I think it's perfect. It's delicious. And I think I'm going to go ahead and I might give it about 30 more minutes and pull it. So head over to the website. There is a lot of different marinade ideas. There's different temperature guides, way to cut, and kind of what you're looking for. So if you need some help with dehydrating your jerky, hop over to the website. I'm putting the link below for jerky tips. And I'll see you later. Bye.